I saw that athletics was just running, but then my cousin introduced me to that really was. I realized what I thought was not the truth. I meant something more than just running. It was really getting to know the world, meeting new people, and making friends while running. And not to have to win, just have fun and let's try. I started doing athletics when I was 13 when I went to a race with my cousin in the rubber. He was going train and invited me to go with him. At that moment I what it really meant. And from that day it was at least 2 or 3 hours to run each weekend. The positive thing is that athletics shows you the world. People plays and breaking views and also improves your muscles. The downside of the athletics is that training to improve and get further and further, but the idea is not really negative. It makes you go further, and then you see how much you have improved and you feel proud of how far you have come.
I discovered bodyboard when I was 13 by some people I know. At first I didn't pay much attention, but after watching a video on YouTube made me want to start, and I felt that I had to try. What I love about this sport is that it's something that makes you feel free and forget about all problems and worries.
I started football when I was 5. I liked it because I always saw the match on the TV and I imagined that I was playing. I started to play in the team of my town, but I changed to the team of my next neighborhood. Now I play football 3 times a week, 2 times for training and 1 time for playing the match. The good things of the football are to sport and meet people, but the bad are that some did to anything to win and protest to the fair.